back to our channel. This is Science Lectures 256. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification in case we update you with any new video. So last time we ended by seeing the modes of reproduction in algae. If you've not yet watched that, please do so. The link is in the description below. So today we are going to look at the criteria used to classify algae. And algae is classified using 5 criteria. Number 1, depending on the photosynthetic pigment. The photosynthetic pigment that algae possesses. The photosynthetic pigment that algae possesses. So we classify various types of algae based on the photosynthetic pigment, and the photosynthetic pigment can either be chlorophyll, some have carotenoids, others have below proteins. That is number 1 criteria. Number 2, we classify algae depending on the food reserves. The food reserves either have starch, some algae store starch, others store cyanophycin, and others store paramulium. That is the criteria depending on the food reserves. Number 3, depending on the cell wall components. Depending on the cell wall components, what makes up the cell wall? Number 1, some algae have silica in their cell wall. Others have pectin in their cell walls. Others have alginic acid in their cell wall. Others have peptidoglycan. Then number 4, depending on the type of cell. Depending whether the algae is prokaryotic or it is eukaryotic. Then lastly is the flagella. Classify algae depending on the flagella. Things like the number of flagella. How many flagella does that algae have? Number 2, the type of flagella. Number 3, the position of the flagella. So these are the criteria used to classify algae: the photosynthetic pigment, the food reserves, the cell wall components, the type of cell, and the flagella. So from this above, we can deduce some classes of phylum algae. Number 1 is Basidiophyta. Number 2 is Rhodophyta. This Rhodophyta is what they call red algae. Chlorophyta. Then Cyanophyta is what they call blue-green algae. Then Charophyta is what they call brown or gold algae. Then Euglenophyta is what they call Euglena. Then the Xanthophyta is what they call Xanthophytes. These are Xanthophytes. Then Hapatophyta these are Hapatophytes. Then Basidiophyta, Xanthophyta, Chlorophyta, Cyanophyta, Charophyta, and the likes are some of the classes we can put under phylum algae. Chlorophyta are what we call stoneworts, and these are what we call diatoms. These are very important in the aquatic ecosystem. The diatoms and this blue-green algae, or what they call sometimes cyanobacteria. So after having seen everything about algae, I want us to conclude this subtopic with the importances of algae. So algae is responsible for things like oxygen production. No, algae is photosynthetic. That means it will use carbon dioxide and water to manufacture its own starch and other food components, as we've seen earlier. and it will give off oxygen as a byproduct. So this oxygen is very important, especially within the aquatic ecosystems, because it supports life that side. Then number 2, oxygen, algae is responsible for nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. So especially the blue-green algae, it has specialized cells that can fix in nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen from the soil. Then some algae is eaten as food. Some algae is eaten as human food. This is very common, especially in the coastal areas where they feed on that algae. Then some algae is used to manufacture industrial products. Some algae is used to manufacture industrial products, things like algae that is used, let's say, in storing of solution and absorption of other chemicals. Then still some algae is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, that are used to improve on crop production. Then some algae is still used as medicine for treatment of various diseases and disorders. Then still some algae is used in research. The scientists use algae, let's say, as a litmus to measure the levels of eutrophication, the levels of water pollution. Next, algae also has some negative advantages, or what they call disadvantages. Number 1, algae can lead to eutrophication. So eutrophication is a result of algal blooms. Algal blooms, these ones will lead to loss of aquatic life, because when this algae die, shall sink to the bottom of the water bodies. Then at the bottom of water bodies, they need to be broken down by aerobic bacteria. These aerobic bacteria, since there are many, they will use up the oxygen that would have been used by other aquatic organisms, leading to their death. Number 2, algae produce toxins, which toxins are very poisonous and can lead to loss of life. They produce 3 different types of toxins. Dermatotoxins. So these are toxins that affect the skin. Phytotoxins, and neurotoxins. So the neurotoxins definitely target the nervous system. Then lastly, this algae, especially in areas of soil preservation, it prevents formation of crystals. So this blue-green algae, in areas where they do soil preservation, it will form a pink coloring on brine, which is sodium chloride, but will prevent it from forming crystals as it is cooling down. And before I forget, algae also produces what we call hepatotoxins. And these hepatotoxins affect the liver. That is it for Fine Up Algae. Till next time.